How to fix WhatsApp audio play screen off on your phone. So to do that, the first step what you can do is go on your WhatsApp. Okay, so you will see an interface like this and click on the three vertical dots which is on the top right side, and when you tap on it, just click on settings and now tap on chats and again tap on chat backup. After tapping here, now choose your Google account simply and then you can back up all the videos. After you click on backup, go back on settings. After going on the settings, it will lead to an interface like this. Go down and down unless you see the option of app management. Now search for WhatsApp on here. So after clicking on WhatsApp, what you should do is click on permissions and allow all the permissions here. Go back and now again go on manage notifications and click on chat history backup, and you should enable the display at top of the screen and everything that you want to. And go back and now click on store as users and simply clear the cache files and clear the data. And when you click on the data button, your WhatsApp will be updated with backups, and now it might not show the lag like that. But if still it does not solve the problem, then there is something wrong in your hardware. So this is it. I hope you liked our video. If you liked the video, then please do subscribe our channel.